The Steakhouse is Ely and my favorite restaurant in Las Vegas. We were recently there for our wedding anniversary. It is open Monday through Friday and Sunday 4 to 9 and Saturday 4 through 10. Smart casual dress is required and reservations are encouraged. It has been open since 1982 and has won many Best of Las Vegas awards throughout the years. It has a vast menu, as you can see here. As the name implies, it is specialized in beef, Midwestern dry-aged beef, which is viewable in the glass enclosed room as you can see here. But it also has lobster, Alaskan king crab, salmon, chicken, lamb chops, and vegetarian dishes available. Their specialties are ribeye, porterhouse, prime rib, and filet mignon. The Steakhouse is nestled inside Circus Circus Hotel Casino, not too far from the buffet. It has red leather booths and dark wood accents and a small bar. What we like about it is everything's included in the singular price. We paid $95 for our choice of black bean soup or salad and our entree, as well as vegetable, which was asparagus, and our choice of either mashed potatoes, baked potato, or rice pilaf. One of the neat things about this restaurant is you can see the chefs preparing the food. Also, a neat thing about this restaurant is that many of the employees here have been present since the day it opened or soon thereafter. We chose a 24-ounce bone-in porterhouse steak because that way we could take most of it home and have meals for 2 more nights. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
We were so full after our food that we did not order desserts. However, since it was our anniversary, they treated us to chocolate-covered strawberries, which we accepted, of course, and we ate them. It was very, very good. Thank you very much, the Steakhouse at Circus Circus.